Welcome, CSPers. So we're going to look at this app. And the first question it asks us is if the ticket is a weekend or a weekday ticket. So I'm just going to check on Monday. It says the price is 5. And on Saturday or Sunday, it says the price is 10. So that's going to be my first check when I'm making this code. So when I'm looking at this stuff, I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to make some variables first. And the first one I'm going to make is price. And I'm going to set the price to be 0 just to start with. And then I'm going to make a variable for tracking the days. I'm going to input this drop down day. I'm going to call it day. I'm going to get the text from that drop down menu. Day drop down. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to make an if statement that checks the day. And it's also going to check. So it's just going to check the day. So the 2 days I'm really worried about is Saturday and Sunday, just like we talked about in class. So what I'm going to do is when I click on the button, it makes this whatever day it is. So I'm going to check if the day is equal to Saturday, or I'm going to check if the day is equal to Sunday, because those are the 2 weekend days, and it's easier to check for 2 days rather than 5. So if that happens, I want the price to be $5. Otherwise, I want it to be like, or if it's the weekend, I want the price to be $10, no matter what. And what I always do is I display this, like right here. And I want to say price. Otherwise, it's going to be say 5. And I like to display that too. So let's take a look. And when we click on Saturday in my console log, it should say $10. And nothing showed up. Oh, I didn't click create my ticket. 10. Okay, let's check Sunday. It should also be 10. Okay, and then let's check Tuesday. It should be. Okay, that's a good start. One thing we want to do is create the text for the tickets as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a variable for the text. And what I want to say is day. And then I want to insert the variable for day. And I want to do a new line. I want to do price. So I'm going to do a string price colon space. Make sure you have that space. And then I'm going to insert the value of the price. So let's see how this shows up. Console log. And it should show we want to put the name of our variable. Let's run it. So if I do it now, it should say Monday, day, Monday, and then price, $5. Something's wrong with this slash, and I did the wrong slash. Oops. Go. Now let's try it. Day, Monday, price 5. Just to make it prettier, I'm going to add capitalizations. So that's our first check. If it's Monday, if it's the weekend or a normal day. I'm going to look at our second question they asked. Okay, now it says check the weekdays and if somebody's 18 or younger. So let's try this. $5, but if they're over 18, it should be 10. Okay, so we need to change up that code a little bit. We want to do a second check. And we want to say if the age is less than or equal to 18, I'm going to use the math because I forgot exactly what this one looks like. Oops, I put this in the wrong spot. So the first check is it Saturday or Sunday, and make it 10 automatically on Saturday or Sunday. Then this is a weekday, and we're checking if the age is less than or 18. Let's run this code and see what happens. When I run this code, it should say day, Monday, price, 5. Oh, what did I not do? That's a good point. I didn't make a variable called age. And we want to grab that text or grab that number from this dropdown, which is called age dropdown. Let's run the code. It should say day, Monday, price, 5. Ooh, that's not bad. It does. So what we're going to add to make sure it shows up on the screen is we're actually going to set the text really quick, just right here. And we want this one, which is ticket output, to say text. And we got to make sure we delete the quotes because it is a variable and not a. Let's try this again. Now it should say that same thing. Day, price. One thing I might add is a $sign here. And we'll see the difference. Now it has a little $sign. All right, there's one more thing we need to check is age. So I'm going to add that in using text. And what we basically want to do is we want to make, say, age plus, and we want a new line in there. Make sure there's that quote. So let's take a look. So now it should say day, Monday, age 5, price 5. Let's see if that works. And it does. Okay. The last thing you guys need to do is a check for the discount code. So you need to check if it's Friday, and if they entered in the right discount code, it's going to be $0 for price. So in this else if, you're going to have to check for the day being Friday, and you're going to have to check for the discount code. So you're going to have to make a variable for the discount code and check it. So that's a good start. Let me know how it goes.